The Arctic is on fire and the world is watching. Greenland, a frozen land, once quiet, remote, almost forgotten, now is the epicenter of a global shutdown. Trump's Greenland push here. You're watching Times XP. My name is Vritti Athri, and US President Donald Trump has made it crystal clear. Greenland belongs to America or it's a threat to our national security. Military action? He didn't rule it out though, not subtle, not quiet, full on threat in front of the entire world. In fact, then Denmark strikes back. Denmark is not taking this lightly. Troops are being deployed, aircrafts are taking off, naval vessels are patrolling the icy water. Greenland's sovereignty is now a non negotiable red line for them. Then enters Germany. That's right, Germany enters the game here. The German forces have arrived in Nuuk. German troops supporting Denmark, they are now on the ground and they are not alone, by the way. NATO allies, Sweden, France, Norway, the Netherlands and Canada, they are all planning a joint military exercise across Greenland in 2026. In fact, Europe is sending a loud message to Washington, hands off Greenland. It's a new Cold War. Greenland is more than ice and snow now. It's now a flashpoint between NATO, the US, Russia, and China. The High North is turning into one of the most dangerous military front lines in the world. But you know why Greenland matters here? Strategic bases, missile defenses, access to Arctic resources, global power balance as well. That's Greenland. Basically, whosoever controls Greenland controls a key part of the world's future security map. It's a danger that is real. This is not a drill. Troops are moving, allies are uniting, and Trump's threats have made the Arctic a literal power keg. One wrong move, one misstep, and everything can be turned into a full-blown NATO versus US confrontation. So, let me conclude this for you. Greenland is no longer just a frozen land. It is the world's hottest geopolitical battleground today. Europe is standing firm, America is pushing hard, and the world waits, holding its breath for what comes next.